Formal and informal organization. Formal and informal organization. In all organizations, there are two types of organizational forms are existed. One is the professional system and the other is more into personal and which is informal as well. When the employees are guided by rules and procedures, this is said to be formal organization. Formal organization. Formal organization refers to the organization structure which is designed by the management to accomplish a particular task. It specifies clearly the boundaries of authority and responsibility, and there is a systematic coordination among the various activities to achieve organizational goals. Informal organization. Interaction among people at work gives rise to a network of social relationships among employees, called the informal organization. Informal organization emerges from within the formal organization when people interact beyond their officially defined roles. Characteristics of informal organization. Based on formal organization. This is based on formal organization where people also have informal relations. First of all, the formal organization is established and then informal organization is created out of it. It has no written rules and procedures. In this organization, there are no written rules and procedures to govern interrelationship. But there are group norms which have to be observed. Independent channels of communication. In this organization, relations among different people are not defined because a person at the lowest rank can have direct contact with the person at the highest level. It is not deliberately created. Informal organization is not deliberately created. It emerges out of mutual relationship and tastes. It has no place on organization chart. Informal organization has no place on the properly prepared organization chart. Moreover, there is no information about it even in the organization manual.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.